Okay guys, we're in the house now, the parking lot. I want to give you some tips how to check your tire. Okay, we have two tips, whether in your highway, in the house, in the work. So I give you tips how to check and what you need to buy for a flat tire in your house. Okay, so I want to show you this video and hopefully it helps for the beginners, especially the ladies. Ladies there to little bit some maintenance tips to how to check your tire anywhere if you're not in the gasoline station or the pumping station or car wash. Okay, let's start now. I have three. I have this one stock green van. It's a backup toys. Okay. This how many months I'm not using since January. The last time I used this is January to change the problem of power steering, broken hose pressure or the hose only. Okay. So these are the tires to how to check the different vehicle of tires. See, I have two options. So as you can see, we need this vehicle because this is a brand new battery and the other one also a brand new battery I buy couple of months only, so we can use this the second option how to check your battery pressure. I sorry, the tire pressure. Okay, and this green man is Dead's battery. You can check in my other blogs in my channel at YouTube. So for now, we can start at the green, the stock van. It's a toy only in the for surrounding downtown only. Instead walking in winter or summer, spring or spring or fall. So I can use that if I need. So this is too for my service at the work or going somewhere in groceries. So let's start now. All you need is these two option. You need to, I recommend to you to buy this a portable booster with you can charge here that the charger USB port, and you can use the air my plus minus USB for charging your phone, for the light and boosting the negative positive, plus the air, there's a hose. So we can use this to how to check the pressure of your tire. Okay, see that one, there's a hose. You can high or low. This is for the boosting. Okay, if you're charging full charge maybe overnight a couple of hours, there's an outlet there. If you're charging low watt, very useful. I use this in my vlogging for the port instead stuck in the house. Okay, so you can start now. So I recommend to you to buy this portable eliminator motor star motor master. Sorry. Okay, you can start now. Remove the pin. Pin is the first option. Tips for the new beginners how to check the battery even you're not in a gas station or in the that car wash. Okay, this is the first thing I recommend. Another thing, if you move the other car, we can use the other option. Okay, remove the caps. Use this. If you leave there somewhere or I will use this. Okay, wait tight, it's good. Okay. Then resetting this, meaning it's air. Air. Okay, so you can start pumping now the portable eliminator. Six. Okay, so that's one. So you know what's the pressure inside the tire of my green van. Okay, 46.7. See? Now you know, so you can adjust or low. That's the indicator. Just press the button. Okay. Okay now. So we move to another option how to check your temperature of your pipe. Okay. Okay, we move to other part now. How to remove. Okay. Roll it. See, that's the first option. If even you in the highway, in your house, some places, or in your work, especially winter, we need this booster. It's like a 4-in-1. Okay, you can use boostering, you can use air, USB, and light. See, I buy this maybe a couple of almost 4 years to me, or 3 years, more than 3 years to me. This I buy this in Canadian Tire, almost $100 150 or less. I can't remember, but this is almost 4 years or 4 years or more than 4 years to me now. It's good. Still working any weather, any season. Okay, let's move now to the other side for the using the second option. That's the tire.
Pa, can you drive me to 4:30?
Wait, because this one we need to charge it now. Okay, so wait a sec. Okay, to, to check the temperature of this van. Okay guys, I recommend to you now the second option. The second option to how to check your battery. Sorry, the tire pressure. Okay, one you use the portable. Okay, now I'm still charging now, and this is the second option without chargeable. This one I recommend to you. See, a certified air compressor. This one, if you need this to buy this is the second option. You can plug in your car, whether in highway, in the house, at your work. This is a convertible. There's others. If you buy this brand, there's a plus light at the back here, but this one is only single tank, only for air pressure. Okay, so this is the recommend to you also certified. Whether the portable, this is portable also, but it's different. One use only, unlike the other portable I use. It's 4 in 1. Okay, we use now this. Okay? There's a hose. We can inflate or we can pump it. Okay, so this one, remove the caps. Okay, put the hose. Why? Why, Delilah? push this, you check the pressure there, even you not plug in, see, because there's a pressure guide here. So if you push it in the pin, you know what's the pressure inside. So I check it, even unplug in the car, okay, you know what's the pressure inside. Okay, so try again. Okay, okay, so if you totally plug less 60 or 50, I show you. If you're flat, this thread, put it in the pin, okay, for the tile. So this one we put it plug in the car, okay. I want to show you to create power. Plug in here, okay. So you have a power now to your portable air compressor. See, switch the button. Air compressor for new beginners, ha? So pwede ka rin okay. Let's try again to put it, pero it's very difficult. So I wanna show you, even you push it here, you know the pressure is coming up. So this is tire is in the 60. Okay, push it again. 60 the temperature. Okay, okay. So return now. Not totally flat. See, it's a winter tire. So this is the second option. Usually, if you have no portable, there's a problem in the highway. If you flat there or somewhere without gasoline and car wash or pre-air pressure, so I recommend you to buy this, to use this somewhere, anywhere. Okay, okay guys, so we remove it now. Almost done this video. Okay, plug it, unplug now.